Hey guys, it's Bryce here today for another video. So, I'm just trying to find my cat. I found my cat, but I can't find his toy that I was playing with him forever. Where did it go? Jack, where did it go? Toy. Oh, it's here. Okay. He is crazy about this thing. Just looks how fun. I'm gonna sit on the floor for a little bit and see what he would do for it. Oh God, what? That's bad. Oh, it looks like I have a foot wrong. See, it's bright lights. So here you go. He is a dog at heart. See, he bats it around like a cat does, but instead of just batting it around and waiting for me to, come by and get it, he literally picks it up in his mouth, this toy right here, picks it up in his mouth, sorry if my fingers are the shot, but picks it up in his mouth and goes absolutely crazy with it. These cats. Jack, get out of my room. That's good boy. Drop it. Oh God. All right. Sorry this has turned into a cat video, but I want to make this like a random channel where it's either my pets or, gaming or anything like that. So, and hopefully this video, sorry my fingers in the shot again, but hopefully this video gets views. I have no clue if it will. Oh no. God. Tell me he's not going to go. Want it. Go. Right now I just ran after it. He bats it around like a normal cat, but instead of, waiting, I forget if I already said that, but instead of waiting for me to come by and pick it up, just for another throw, he obviously there he is. Drop it. Good kitty. Hey, over here, go. No, don't get out of the couch. Thank you. It's a live stream. And he also likes this thing. This thing is going to be another tricky thing to try and do one-handed, but he absolutely likes it. Hey, Jack. Hey, kitty. Hey, Jack. He might pounce on it. He might. All right. Failed plan. He doesn't want to do it now. I guess because of the ball. That's all he wants.